Okay, Assalamualaikum. So today kita proceed dengan example of properties of inverse. Okay, so saya buat muka surat 75, number 22. Okay. So you can check lah the question for number 22. So soalan A, you have to find the inverse of B inverse multiply with A inverse. So you want to find the matrix. What is the matrix for this form? Okay, so given, so in the question you already given 2AB, so in bracket inverse is equal to 1, -2, -3, and 5. Okay, so in the problem, given this matrix for inverse of 2AB and also given matrix for inverse matrix for B, which is 4, 3, -1, -1. Okay, so if you look at your question, you want to find what is the inverse of B times the inverse of A. Okay, so kalau kita nak guna this matrix, so dia tak ada A, so we cannot use this matrix to get this matrix. So you have to use this matrix, 2AB, inverse of 2AB, because you get A inside this form. So kita boleh gunalah this given matrix to find the problem here. Okay, so how? So 2 inverse, okay, is equal to 3, 5. Okay, so we write down balik the matrix for inverse of 2AB. Okay, so kita akan apply your property dalam muka surat 68, I think. Okay, so you can check whether it is on page 68. Okay, so nombor 2 ni here is your scalar. So you ada negative inverse here. So bila scalar you ada negative 1 here, dia akan jadi 1/2 AB. So dia dah outside the bracket lah, because you dah apply negative 1 there. So tinggallah matrix AB. Okay, so equal to, we write down the matrix back. Okay, okay, and then this one you ada inverse of AB. Okay, then kita tengok balik kita punya soalan, you nak cari B inverse, A inverse. So ini dah dekat kepada awak punya problem. Okay, so macam mana kita nak tukar yang ni jadi yang ni? So kita apply, kita kembangkan, expandkan this one. So bila kita expand yang ni, dia akan jadi 1/2, we write down. So you get B inverse, A inverse. So bila you kembang, dia terbaliklah dia punya location. So kalau you nampak kat sini AB, so in bracket you ada inverse there. But bila you buang the bracket, bila you expand, you akan dapat B inverse, A inverse. So the location dia dah berubah. Okay, so this one still lagi sama. So we write down the matrix. Okay, so here dah ada dah dapat. So yang you tak nak ada this one. So yang ni you akan bawa ke sebelah. So you akan multiply. Okay, so your answer B inverse, A inverse is equal to, so 2, 1/2 buat sebelah, dia akan jadi 2 lah. So you akan dapat 2, -4, -6, and 10. Okay, so you get your answer there, B inverse, A inverse. So kat sini you apply two properties to get the answer for A here. Okay.